Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity guys. In this video I'm talking about the Axie Infinity price prediction and the latest price update of the Axie Infinity. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Axie Infinity. So let's start the video guys. Now the latest price of the Axie Infinity is 84.28 USD dollar. Very high price coin in the market, Axie Infinity, but that is a good news for all of you that the changes is positive. I mean, every day, every hour, the price pumps, the price increase, and you get a profit. That's really good for all of you. Anyways, other side, if you talk about the price changes of the Axie Infinity, so you can see here guys that the last 1 hour changes of the Axie Infinity is negative. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurred in the Axie Infinity is positive guys. The changes is absolutely going positive in the market, and I'm very happy to these positive changes of the Axie Infinity guys. And you know what guys, if these kind of changes continue in Axie Infinity, so very soon they will make you millionaire. Just look here, that is a quick jump now guys. Personally I love this jump. Now you can see it guys. Yes, I know already sometimes the price falls down, but if you look the average changes, you can see 15.23% changes is positive in the last 3 days. So this means that it is a profitable for all of you, and 92 USD dollar is the highest price of Axie Infinity, and I'm sure about that at the last of September the price of Axie Infinity will be 100 USD dollar. What you think about that? If you agree with me, like this video, subscribe channel and comment. Thanks for watching.